Who is Cat Asme? They are animal abusers. The majority of their personal information is unknown. No one knows their gender, no one knows their age, their race, name, or anything really. The majority of the comments on Cat's videos are full of hate, which really is not surprising, as what they upload is considered by most abhorrent. The two paths people choose when addressing the Cat ASME situation are: some report him outright, while others choose to spread awareness and ask to not report him, so much so that they get into arguments over which decision is right. Here's my take on it. While I understand both approaches, the sad reality of it is already too late. Now, I will preface this by saying that I do believe that we should work to combat those who work to cause harm to others, animal or person. That is all anyone who is right should do. But you need to look at the facts here. Cat's ASME has no information revealed, the cats look worse and worse each video, and YouTube is not moderating anyone below the general algorithm. In short, Cat's ASME has time on their hands. Cases like this have happened before, mainly in places like China, where the laws against animal cruelty are essentially non-existent. Animal abuse happens so regularly because there is an actual market for this kind of thing, very similar to the trend of setting monkey hate videos, if you are aware to that situation. I am going to cite a fluff piece from the furry rant news site Dog Patch Press. A content pool, no lifeguard. The internet gives unprecedented reach and lets out the best and worst behavior on an infinitely granular level. Platforms are automated and let users regulate themselves from private locations. That is how animal abusers connect with each other like never before and fly past local laws. They are accused of abusing their pets in viral videos, but laws don't always consider it cruelty, and YouTube won't ban a guy who crushes animals to death. Of course, animals cannot speak for self-regulation. Nobody is watching when the cameras stop. People who control their welfare are enjoying a form of cruelty theater, like dogfighting, but cater to individual proclivities to maximize reach. Some watch for the fake cuddly feeling of watching animals saved from busy highways or burials in mud. Some are chasing special fetish content. But the real question is, what is the best thing we can do as it is? Well, report them. YouTube cannot take action against someone when there is not a sizable amount of reports for any moderators to take notice into what is going on. Think of how many reports they get in a day. If Pedersen Entertainment took months to take down despite being mass reported, what does that have to say for this situation? Some viewers have posed the idea that some form of police intervention be taking place, or even 4chaners looking to cat ASME. In my opinion, that path is not one based in reality. It is tricky, however, not letting emotions overtake you when you have situations like this. The end result never looks good. You obviously want it to end well, but that's just how it is sometimes. Simply put, if YouTube knows the issue at hand, they can terminate cat ASME while also forwarding information towards the FBI or so. In my opinion, that is a win-win situation. But what do you think? As it sits, cat ASME has not uploaded anything for a while. He does still respond to comments, but I believe this may be the end to the tale of cat ASME. Whoever is running this account, they however are still out there, probably creating 5 more burner accounts to upload animal cruelty as I write this. Truly a sad state of affairs.